everyone. Moses Booms here, and I run this channel what they don't teach you in colleges. Today, I'm going to show you how to use ATS Resume Checker and why you need our ATS Resume Checker. We all know that a lot of companies, wherever we apply, they will ask us to upload a resume on their website or whichever application they would be using. What you're not aware is that application is connected to ATS. Now, what do you understand by ATS is applicant tracking system. And applicant tracking system, you have to always what will happen is they will ask you to add your name, your second name, some particular details and upload your. Once you upload your resume, it enters, it's like a CRM and it enters the system. What the system does is it will read the entire resume. It will highlight based on the tracking system whether this resume is suitable for this job description or not suitable as the first step. So if there are 1,000 resumes, our recruiter does not have time to check 1,000 resumes for two vacancies. So they will upload all the resumes to ATS and ATS will then filter out and give them a say around 100 or 150 different profiles. Out of this 150 different profiles, then they will have a manual sorting and then they will fix an interview. How do you stand a chance when it comes to so high level? So what I suggest is first that you have understood what is ATS. Now there are a lot of applications available online. These are free applications and these are paid applications. On these applications, what you will understand is once you upload your resume, it will tell you for this particular job description, does your fall under 90% or 80% or is it 50%? Because if it is 80 and 90%, then you get sorted out and select. If you are below 80%, you don't get. Always when you upload your resume, you need to upload as a Word document or DOCX. PDF is difficult for ATS to understand. All the PDFs they are not able to read. Images that they would able to read, you directly get sorted out that they're not submitted or blank. So I'll be showing you now couple of. This is one such tool that came up. This tool is there are you can use it to create your resume, but it has also a free checker and upload. So check your score. It just gives a score. So it's on my desktop now. It is will be uploading it. It should not be more than 5 MB. So do not upload a lot of photos. You can have links, but do not upload. A lot of people nowadays have this behavior. They will have some creative this side and then the color graphics. ATS is not able to understand those things. Yani, over here, you need to have a simple word format resume. When you get selected and you go for interview, you have a good resume which something looks appealing. Don't upload it over here. Softwares don't understand creativity. So allow softwares for creativity. So polling area. So I'm just 54%. Oh my god, I won't get straight. So there is one error over here. There are 32 errors work history. And then there are 6 errors over here. If you go for the paid version, you can fix it. They will fix it for you. That's the best part. So fix my and you can download. So see, it goes to the registration. So it is giving my score. Resume strength is fair, but where I'm missing. Now let's try for some other resume checker. This looks something interesting to scan your resume. So it says upload your resume as PDF. I don't know why I know. We are not able to read this thing. Still, it is saying upload as PDF. Maybe they have created some different mechanism where you have to upload as PDF and then it reads the resume. Our PDF creation is done. Let me load it now. We have Gemini to create it. So Gemini has created it. I'll just paste it. Let's see. Scanning. So we have uploaded and okay, sign in. This is the worst part. I don't like this, but we have buy me a coffee. I think now time is come for coffee. And we are not able to see anything. If it takes so long amount of time, how it is going to work, I really don't know. So we here it says 47%. So I have come down from 52 to 47%. But I really like this application. So Insta Resume, it exactly tells me if I'm looking for a job X type, which is this job description, what all things are missing and what all things I can know. So hard skills, there are 35 hard skills. So it's marketing strategy. So 25 of 35 skills are missing. So these are the skills that I'm missing and I need to have these skills. So soft skills wise, innovative. So these are the soft skills. or recruiter tips. So job title match word count. It should be between 400 to 200. I have crossed it. For number of pages, not more than two. That's pretty good, man. I think you should try this. I believe that 47% now it makes sense rather than those 52% which was senseless because what it was comparing. You need to take if this is the JD and this is the resume for, then it will deliver you some result. So online, if you go, right, you'll find a lot of ATS. So Enhanced CV has ATS, and there are a lot of ATS. Always, whenever you create resume, go and have what ATS done. I suggest go for a paid ATS because as it is, if you're going, so paid ATS won't even cost you more than 200, $300 or say $10. But what it happens is it will check your resume for that job description because at multiple level you will be applying, say 10 jobs, 20 jobs. Everyone the JD changes. You bind the JD with your resume, and if it is 80%, you send a resume. If it is not 80%, you get the AI tool to change it and then send it. At least you will have those round of interviews. You will not waste your time applying to 50 companies. Apply to 15 companies, get the interviews over there. Out of that, three companies will send you. That's the best way to forget all different types of. Use an ATS to understand where your resume is. I have done a lot of. If you have any comments or if you want to still understand ATS, you just drop a comment which tool or any tool. I'll be giving links of couple of such ATS, free ATS available, but my suggestion is go for paid versions. Thanks for joining in today.